Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If I look like I looked like in a previous video, yes, I am filming a couple videos tonight. Y'all, it is a crazy couple of weeks coming up here. Kind of the end of the month is always a very busy time for me at work. My dad's got his health stuff going on. We're, running around, checking on him, all that good stuff. I've got a friend's wedding I'm attending this weekend. And of course, in another week from there, we've got the 4th of July holiday weekend, which is going to be a lot of fun. So, apologies. I'm just trying to knock a few videos out. And I seem to keep getting like bundles of things delivered. I go like several days of getting nothing, and then like 3 or 4 items will show up. So, yeah, I do look the same because I am filming another video. So, y'all, today is Splendies Day. So this is my Splendies for June. Y'all, I did my Heaven Panty already, and I think I've misspoke in 1 or 2 videos. But after my Heaven Panty, you guys, I canceled that subscription. I am going to get 1 more month because it renewed before I was able to get in and cancel. But that one, you go in and you can like tell them exactly what you do or don't want. And I told them I did not want thong panties, and Heaven Panty sent me a thong panty for my last most recent video. I unbagged it or unboxed it or whatever. That made me mad because you specifically say no thongs. They sent me one, so I'm like, I'm done. But I did get, it had renewed for another month before I got that cancellation in. So I'm only going to get 1 more Heaven Panty, and then that's done. And so Splendies sends you 3. And you guys, I went in and I tried to cancel it. And then it was like, well, you can suspend your subscription for up to 3 months. And I tried to do that, and it kept erroring out, of course. So I went in and I suspended my subscription for 1 month. And I think I'm going to just go in and cancel it because I'm pretty well stocked up on panties right now. But let's see what I got. Hopefully these are good. We'll find out. So they do ask you a couple questions, explain to you how to do your sizing, and you do get 3. So I do appreciate that. Oh, hard to get into. Here we go. I like the fact that it comes in this like kind of cardboard mailer, which is a little bit more eco-friendly than anything plasticky. So I do appreciate that. So it is. It's totally cardboard. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Very nicely wrapped up. Little sticker. They've got Splendies branded wrapping paper. Super cute. So let's get into it. Fingers crossed that these are going to be cute and not see-through. The other reason why I think I'm kind of done is I'm tired of getting like super see-through panties. Y'all, it's just not my thing. These look cute. So let me get the little, first pair is see-through, but they're cute, but they're see-through. Y'all, I'm not into the whole see-through. I think honestly, they're supposed to look really cute and you're supposed to feel sexy, but I think it's very cheap. But here they are, super cute little panties. And here's the Splendies from Santa Monica. Really cute front, back. Does have a nice waistband and cotton crotch panel in there. This feels really nice. Elastic, kind of a lace border on the leg. Let me do it like that. Very nice stretch to it. And of course, at the front, you do get the cute little bow. But they're cute, y'all, but they are see-through, which is, it's all right, just not my thing. Y'all, wait till you see the pattern on the next pair is so adorable. I don't know about somebody like my age adorable, but honestly, it works with my channel. Are you guys ready for this? It's cute. Y'all, it's little unicorns. How cute is that? Now the back is see-through. Of course it is. But these are cute. I mean, they're little unicorns. Super cute. So, fairly not totally stretchy, but sort of stretchy at the waistband. You know, the lace is cute. It's just a nice little lace. It's got little bugs. I don't know if you guys can see. This is like, looks to me like a bird and a bug, like a ladybug here. So I don't know. I don't know if that's really what it intends to be, but they're just little cute things. Cute little designs. So it does also have obviously the cotton crotch. You get a few little things in manufacturing. Like this looks a little goofy, but it is just the lace. But I have to say, It is kind of cute. I don't know, for like an adult who's not 16 years old, this is a little silly, but they're cute. And then the third pair, I'm not really into like massive floral patterns and stuff, but I appreciate the fact that they're actually a dark color and they're kind of cute because I like purple. So are you ready for this one? Last pair. Ooh, and they feel very nice and soft. So I like that they're dark. I like that they're not see-through. I don't mind the pattern because honestly, I like the colors. I think the colors really work. There's the back. I like purples. I like the black. I like the little hints of blues and greens, yellows and whites. Very, very soft. Very cute. There's the little embellishment. Nice stretch to it. Do that. I mean, that's very nice stretch to it. Obviously, it's got the little Splendies on there. These are extra large, you guys. I do get them in extra large. I feel like these tend to run a little small, and I don't like that. But super cute. So I think out of the three pairs, so let's show you guys the first pair. I just don't like the see-through. Honestly, y'all. I mean, like, cute, but I really wish they weren't see-through. These are half see-through. Honestly, a little childish for me, but hey, whatever. There's underwear. Ain't too many people are going to see these. And then I like the feel of these. I like that they're dark. I don't mind the pattern. I'm not a huge pattern person, but it doesn't bother me. Honestly, the unicorns bother me more because it's honestly something that, like, as a kid, I would have appreciated more than I do as an adult. But it makes me laugh because it kind of works with the whole Opinionated Horsewoman, channel thing going on. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, I did suspend for at least one more month. I'm really toying with the idea, you guys. I probably will just go ahead and cancel. Honestly, you guys, things are getting really expensive out in the world right now. And I think I'm stocked up on underwear. So even though I suspended it for a month, I think I'm probably just going to go in and cancel. This is a great way to get underwear. You guys, I do not like going to the store, digging through bins of underwear. It just drives me crazy trying to find sizes. Everybody's touching everything. And I mean, I wash them anyway, but it just, you're digging, and half the time they don't have the cut you like and the size you want. And it's always very frustrating. So this was really nice. I definitely have fully restocked my lingerie undies. So yeah, I've been talking a little bit in the last few videos, you guys. I'm really going to start cutting back subscriptions. I'm just going to have to. Things are getting really expensive here. Everybody knows the price of gas and all that is just insane. All that cost, all the shipping products around the U.S. to go to the various stores, all the cost of everything in the stores is up. I noticed I was out grocery shopping, and I usually buy some pre-cooked chicken breast meat that's frozen that we can, if we're in a hurry to make dinner and we want to just make something quick, we can grab a little bit of that, defrost it, mix it up, make it however we want to make it. And like the price was a third again higher. I feel like a bag of chicken went from like $14 to $20 or something. So things are getting expensive. Now that's probably due to the avian flu, but also obviously we have inflation. So I'm just letting y'all know I'm getting one more of the Heaven Panty, but then it's done. And I think I'm just going to cancel Splendies. I think I'm stocked up and I need to save the money. So if you're interested, it is a pretty great subscription. The link is down below if you'd like to check it out. Maybe get a couple of months, get it shipped to you, and then be done with it. So let me know your thoughts, you guys. One more time, these are really pretty. I like the feel of them. They're very soft, super stretchy. These, honestly, I mean, they're so cute, but I mean, really. On a grown woman, that's kind of, well, these look like they're going to be comfortable, but I just do not like the see-through. So, all right, y'all, I really appreciate your time. I hope you're staying cool in the heat that we're having this summer and staying healthy. There's been a lot of the Rona going around, so please stay healthy. You guys take care of yourselves. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye, everybody.